Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can export your designs on Affinity Designer in CMYK colors. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your design on Affinity and then click into File in the top left, hover mouse over Export and click into Export here. Alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-W. Here, guys, select your design file format. I will go with PNG. And then here, guys, what you want to do is to the right is click into pixel format. And if you see, for example, RGB or grayscale, you can use one of these. But if CMYK are not supported, you'll need to select a different file format. Like, for example, let me go with JPEG. And then here, click again into pixel format. And as you can see, CMYK is supported for this format. Then you will see the calculated estimated file size here. Click into export and then save the given design on your device in the given location with this pixel format here, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.